All right, so for NAS, currently I'm in sells because the 4-hour lower highs are being maintained. We have this initial break right here. Then we have lower highs maintained. I'm assuming that this is gonna end up creating another lower high. And the main giveaway is this little break of support that happened right here. Like, it's not at or after 8 o'clock, which is when I would ideally take a trade. But hey, this happened 6, 7 o'clock. This is happening right 6:15. So I'm still learning now. So I think those might be okay times for an entry, as long as you take trades after the confirmation, after the price action actually happens. For GJ, so she was finally bearish. Take everything off, it's kind of relevant at the moment. So yeah, the lower highs were being maintained this whole time, which is why watching or waiting for the support to break would have been the best course of action. To after this, you could have been okay, if price goes back into a resistance level, that'd be a pretty good opportunity for sells. So anytime after here, I think at the 30 minute, I think as long as the stop loss would have been somewhere above this, right? This last high it made before it broke that support, we don't expect it to come back up here. Some other opportunity areas could have been, around here when we had Asian open, because of course it reached back into this liquidity area to get some more sellers before heading down. So yeah, the bias is still overall very bearish for me on GJ. What I could enter in some sells. At the same time, it's so low that I'd rather just take my chances with this pair and then maybe even gold. Let's see what's happening on gold. 4 hours, so very much bearish, right? So you just be waiting for a break of support, and that already happened. So I think maybe after 8 o'clock. Actually, no, this happened here. So messy. All right, so this happened right here. This would have been the signal that told you to enter in for some sells. And honestly, I could get in for some sells. It doesn't even look too bad. So sells on gold, sells on GJ. If you can get a good entry, maybe after an engulfing candle or something, even now maybe, because the lower time frame is bearish, 4 hours bearish. Same with gold, you'd probably enter it now or wait until 8. But there is news at 10. But yeah, everything I'm looking at is giving bears at the moment, so we'll see about that.